Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400 Sport Twin with ABS brakes. Beautiful condition, only 1,200 miles on this awesome blue and black and gray and silver Kawasaki Ninja 400. Wait till you hear that awesome Leo Vinch exhaust system. Low mileage, great sounding, lightweight sport bike. Probably gets about 65 miles per gallon, maybe better. Come on by and make your Ninja 400 dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.